Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix slow download speeds on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. This tutorial is simple and effective. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings app to open it. From the left-hand side, select Network and Internet. Then click on Wi-Fi and choose your connected network from the list. Scroll down until you find Metered Connection. To get the fastest download speeds possible, make sure this option is turned off. Once that's done, close the window. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Data Usage. Click on Data Usage Overview. Scroll down and click Data Usage once more. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications that use your network data. Carefully go through this list and uninstall any apps you don't need, as some of them might be running in the background and using up your bandwidth. After that, close the window and test your download speed again. If it's still slow, don't worry. Here's the next fix. Open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and click on it. In the top right corner, set View by to Large Icons. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. On the left, click Change Adapter Settings. Now right-click your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and select Properties. Scroll down and double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Next, choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter Preferred DNS Server, 8.8.8.8 Alternate DNS Server, 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save the settings and close all windows. Now, open the Start menu again, search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type this command, ipconfig/flushdns, then hit Enter. Once it's complete, test your download speed again. If it's still slow, try disconnecting from any VPNs you're using. They can sometimes reduce your internet speed. And that's it. You've just fixed slow download speeds on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.